A UW-La Crosse student is back in the U.S. after being evacuated from Sierra Leone because of Ebola concerns. News 8's Keely Arthur joins us with more.
Definitely a change of plans for Alexandria Berg. The UWL graduate student arrived in Sierra Leone in July to complete part of her master's in public health, only to be evacuated 2 months early. As soon as Alexandria Berg found out she was headed to Sierra Leone, she knew she'd be fulfilling a lifelong goal.
I was very excited to go to the country and be involved in community health education.
She traveled to West Africa to do field work, teaching teens about infectious diseases.
We teach them about human biology, we teach them about immunology and diseases and health and social determinants of health, and relate that specifically to what's going on in their country.
The UW-La Crosse students' work to educate people about diseases like Ebola came at a critical time.
When I first got there, a lot of the ideas and impressions of local people were kind of like, some people didn't believe it was even existing.
The Ebola outbreak continued to escalate, forcing her time overseas to be cut short. Before she knew it, she was on a plane back to the U.S.
The highest priority, and Alex has heard me say this time and again, was her safety, health, and well-being.
As more and more cases popped up near Berg's village, Dr. Gilmore says he felt her safety was in jeopardy.
There are some really unusual for this disease projections. By the end of this month, by September 30th, the projections could go, with some models that are being used by the CDC, to 20,000 cases. It could take off that quickly.
Because Berg knows a lot about Ebola and no one was affected near her, she didn't want to leave.
I didn't feel like personally like my health was at risk because I wasn't dealing with any patients or working in hospitals or clinic settings and things like that.
Although she is back in a place largely free of the disease, she hasn't forgotten the teens she educated in West Africa.
I've still been in contact and I've been hearing everything that they've been doing, and they've been doing such amazing work over there. They're really diving into the communities and making an impact, doing infectious disease control management within different hospitals and clinics.
Berg's need to help the underdeveloped continent runs in the family. Both her mom and sister have gone there for similar trips. She says she is hoping to get back there as soon as the situation calms down.
Yeah, all right. Thank you so much, Keely. Berg is the first UW-La Crosse student to be evacuated from a study abroad program.